Mbuyamana wano mwanju muliro Ndizi vyakirangu kwari yani asemesa ya mangana maya ye Chinsa Isano Naibere karori tuko liaramisi jitariki nibero mote ino yokomi nemo mwaka jirubere nemeronke bere nesato kukwari nyobe na hinche omayana agandete wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii ikera na mange agandete gukorekana ekero King Charles III agandete taro yaye ase ensi ya Kenya. Muraibwe ense Dr. William Ruto no agendrete ase county ya osensemo ya Coast ya karara ase county ya Kwale ya karara kuigura amagendero awa ase enseme iboigo abamenyi be county ya Kisii agnene gatia ba MCA ni gobono bago kere getambogero gikambere kero kyanyarete kegotugutera ebirengere libiri bye body engoro yanyarete kegotwara na kwire kina ase kambero bonigo bago kere ne chingaki bago chokora amagendero gose body takere ko rosiwa ase county ya Kisii endobo korali bogendera yungati na kwareneri omwanchi mwengo kubolyo benenji ukomwelyo kadogwa na Joshua Auta oyo konekuna Joshua Auta na erora sense meli ya omodwe manyelyo abigari nyanchama ene kuna malyo gine chibicha gocheire asenjira ya bene bonabotamberiane Brighton Makori. Soko ya chakamana ketonya chake korwase county ya Nyamira asibono mwakiri Michael omoyo anyare kagotia ni gubene kobomo MCA omojole asikiama giurwase kiama gyachbiri ase county ya Nyamira moroberio nyara okurawa nomonogeri webunge yo enokukero bono nigo Michael omoyo anyare kago tiani gubene kobomo MCA omochole ase county yo ya Nyamira ni ago chamagega yekine kyo kyabegetwe ase kotova bili asensema ya Kisumu kyanyarege koera ikiye kumwanjira musubatyo ibono anyarega koba omo MCA omochole ase county yo ya Nyamira.
Upon declaring the position vacant in terms of the order in A, inner path, the second respondent shall within 24 hours of the time of the delivery of this ruling proceed to swear the applicant into office as a duly nominated member of the county assembly.
I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and conventions of the Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God. Guide me. I hope God will give me strength, and I'm sure I'll be able to serve the people of Nyamira County diligently and also employ good strategies of how to take our county to the next level and also our country at large. Without forgetting my parents, without forgetting my sister, without forgetting my wonderful legal team led by Ms. Mwai. Words cannot express how grateful I am, but I'm sure with time I'll be able to pass my sincere gratitude to them.
Magagabono yogotiani wa kumu wakirio yo Michael omoyo ni gobono Secretary General bwekiama gyachbiri cheremia kioni anyare kako karege tambo kirekyo anenere karanyara kaweka ase county ya Nyamira.
Seat, and especially if you are nominated, and the High Court is exercising its authority over issues that there before would have been thrown away very quickly. And those who've been nominated, not just by the party, but across, needs to be very, very careful, because new frontiers, legal frontiers are being opened, and Michelle is without doubt has shown the way that you can take on a nominated member whom you think is not doing what is supposed to be done, and that seat can be lost. I know within Jubilee we have some liberals who have just exercised their democratic right to move on to other parties. They will either have to quickly move in full or we will force them out of the party. And I can assure you that we are focusing on them in the coming days.
Magega yekambero kurwase county ya Kisumu sekambero kurwase semeli ya Kisumu aburi tugeregoro go tuguterare birengera libiri bya abari bya bari bakabeire as body ye county ya Kisii Public Service Board iba irete asense meyanene krobanyarde ba kwamireri ngaki County Assembly yanyarde koba kaisikamo ne kamati eri ya choretu eri kurigereria obokoreri bwabo asibato kande namamocho ase obokoreri bwabo bononi gatia bemusie ase County ya Kisii bago keire getambo gerekyo ase bono bago keire engane yo yogotugeterware ase bono babolire mogavana bwe County ya Kisii Barusimbarati kwayereria elinde body enyenyare kegosoa asobisi endobokoreri banyare bokogendera ase County ya Kisii.
We brought a report before the Kisii County Assembly, and it was supported overwhelmingly. The board members were not satisfied with the procedure that we followed. They went to court. The case has been in court for some time, and today it has been proven that the Kisii County Assembly followed procedure in disbanding the Kisii County Public Service Board. And today I want to urge the governor of Kisii County to move with speed and constitute a new public service board so that our county can move forward.
Langu mimi ningependa kuwahimiza ya kwamba kamati yetu iliweza kufanya kazi nzuri. Hata mahakama zimethibitisha na zimekubaliana ya kwamba kazi ambayo tulifanya ilikuwa kazi ya maana. Kwa kweli tumemaliza kama mwaka moja sasa hivi bila bodi ya huduma. Hii bodi ya huduma kuna wanafunzi ama kuna watu wengi ambao walikuwa wamemaliza, wengine walikuwa wanataka kuenda masomo, hawangeweza kuenda masomo kwa sababu hakukuwa na bodi ya kuwapa ruhusa ya kwenda. Kwa hivyo tuna furaha tele siku ya leo. Tunahimiza ama tunamsihi gavana aweze kuenda kwa haraka sana ili aweze kuweka bodi yenyewe katika kazi na ije kwenye kikao kule bungoni tuweze kupitisha bila kutisha, kwa sababu watu wetu wanaumia.
Sesema ya ye mugabana bwe County ya Kisii Barusimbarati nere nikatogire getambo kerekyo kambero gotuguterare body eyi engoro asibona dena neri bagari nene ase County ya Kisii anyorire asugochikobeka body enyi obisi erajigo konyo bokorari koimukirira igoro na kogendera ase County ya Kisii.
Wale ambao walikuwa wametolewa ofisini waliamua kwenda kotini, na tukaheshimu uamuzi wa koti wakati wote, kwa sababu sisi ni waangwana kutii sheria za koti. Nataka kusema leo tuko na furaha kwamba koti imeamua kwamba hawa ndugu MCAs na dada MCAs walifanya kazi kulingana na sheria, kuwatuma nyumbani ambao walikuwa ni wanachama wa bodi ya Public Service Board. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema kwamba sasa tumefika mwisho, na nitaomba wale ambao wote walihusika ambao walienda kotini, najua kwamba mnataka kwenda kwa appeal. Tunashukuru, ni haki yenu, lakini tunataka tuomba mtupe sasa wakati ndiposa tu confirm wale walimu ambao they have not been confirmed. Kuna watu wengi ambao hawajawekwa katika payroll na ni lazima bodi ikuepo. Kwa hivyo tunaomba hata wale ambao ni wanawasaidia, tunajua hii sio kazi yao, kuna watu ambao wako na wivu tu, naomba kwamba mkubali yaishe.
Abamenyi korwa sebunge ya Gitutu jaje South anene bari bagotumeke bara ya Nyakoe Gusii kamarani nigobono banyarire bakomotogie omubungo Gitutu jaje North Javeti Nyakundi anekera nyara kagwe sona ni nakubaroseria ebara iyo asika yabeire gekubachanda kolengana barabo gosiga bagokwana nigo babolire abara ikobwaterana na kwena chipara chenseme inkoro sigujire ininya chikorobi obosombi.
Tano Mori David koko nalimbi ama nasomo mheshimiwa Javet na ndu twanyora kataliga serikali singenje miake menge amegongo ya tunyutire pale bo babantu barwalira basinyo kuri nyomba asingenje njire katwagire mbiyama na sana asaba nyora kataliga serikali tware ko isimba jya kusinjira oro kumbe mo Javet na ndo moro mo kubika pale drainage chiganjira ababuya tosabuli ko chako etane tractor kaiga akijidi chiga ndabuya na anda majita soje ko tole pale iga gara tutumege asama tukaiga bosi
ne pale mwe tina wana kusiga tole bono bwake ndio banta bange tokoraga kure pare na kira bara ya to chitwa cha baje batu bakatoroserie para ige kore kana ngamba to nyuti ndongore bwati chino tokoraga twasaba murai oyo orekani gotokonya anya akora mbroko bokwa side na gotokonya tubikira omoromu na ndebu ne chiba ciaruke twi round iri rami chigasira na round ine nda tubugateri baka tubikirwe ramu ne ntutogo ketoga abantawa
na ndeto chiko muri quest ya sogwanja kwaye aki taba se kwigeri mo munjera atigere njera atoikeri nyakaya gaiga ikiagara siasa ya bekirwe nyinga igoro ye pare eto chiko muri quest Mr. Chavet asogwanja kwao na ndimuna gwakiete ugatora mabera gote sautia tubekira moromu oikenya kaya gaiga korange ne president igaria ini kitutu chache sauti twaberire kurukoronio nere tabwatie rami kwale gwanja opendise otorera mabira otoikerie rami ria kurwa setigarete no tirogorari ekenya kaya gaiga akikiana torocho na serikali
omowasiri bwegisemesie kirima cyo gwaburitwe garoni gekiranete ase kamati yebunge yetenete chisemi asanene alekwerera igoro yechibese kubwato kwa gojasi skuru ebitabu kubwato gojasi skuru boigo namangana yogosoma senjera yekerero asomo wasiri oyo nanyorete chingongu asokwerera emiroberio eserikali ebegete anene asensemo yechisemi igunga kimo wasira nyatha kuborwa maswali nere kuyairaniria.
You have to know also all our national schools, extra county schools, they have an account. They have an account, the state, that students, pupils pay money. Where are you living, CS? In this country? How come me I know and you don't know?
CS, those are the hard facts. And facts are stubborn, CS. You get to know this, order. There is nothing out of order on the board. That, even in the JSS schools, they levy. I have seen you giving pronouncements, giving circulars, and the principals and everyone else don't heed them. Because if they heed, the schools will collapse. So they go ahead to charge. Can you tell us what's happening? Yes.
When you look at the admission letters, like now January, people are going from one. The national schools, the extra county, the official figure as indicated is what is indicated there. Yes, like any other criminal enterprise, there might be those who do things out of what we have allowed in the ministry. And when they come to our notice for sure, like the cases we dealt with, I think in Kirifi and a few other schools, we do deal with, and this is where we will ask for cooperation between us and the members of parliament.
I say there is no criminality in this place. Would you rather they close the schools and go and the children stay at home, or they live? Because if you have not given them the money to run the school, they have to get money from these levies to run activities under which you are supposed to run. For example, I've just told you, the bigger schools may not be having a problem with chemicals. The smaller, because they have saved from what they collected from parents. The smaller schools with 300 to 1, they can't afford. These MPs are helping buy chemicals because one CS Machogu has not given them money to buy chemicals.
Ambassador Sterolina oibono gojukwenda sense ya Germany go aigetebosio bwebunge ose vetting process yegendrete ekrwanya diga kwera ngakiamanyete ose ngakiara chikwenekia buno bwa matebwensi ya Kenya na chairman go kinabole asairete buna nigara chikwenekia obwa matobu bwa kinire kurwa sekerenge kemo ochekende.
As a country, we are looking for opportunities for our youth who are unemployed, would like to create jobs, and we have the creative industry that we can improve from our collaboration with Germany. We have our capacity, there's a lot that we can learn and borrow from Germany. In terms of trade, we have e-commerce, electronic commerce. We can partner with companies to help promote Kenyan products electronically. And we have the county hospitals when it comes to the health sector. Egerotoko sukabosio nigo omokonyi bomorai bwenzeri gadigashawa
anyariga kwegerera omurai bwense asikitaro chaya okarago chiasi Chinsa kwana ase kaunti ya Kwale asimiroberio osase bacha kimiroberio ya magendero ya deno gotara kwaruto ya Chinsa nigo yaletera matunda asense ya Kenya.
Na rais, tunataka tukupongeze kwa sababu huu mradi ambaye umezindua hapa leo umepatikana kwa usaidizi wa wawekezaji wa nje, sio hapa Kenya. Na rais, kuna wale ambaye wanakupigia makelele ya kwamba ati wewe unatembea sana, ati unaenda kila nchi, unaenda kufanya nini? Tungetaka kuambia hawa matunda ya rais kutembea kila pahali duniani imepatikana hapa katika hii kisiwa. Na rais, we want to encourage you to continue going anywhere in the world. Pahali popote utapata Wakenya watafaidika. Wewe ulichaguliwa ukapewa mamlaka ya kusaidia Wakenya na kuwainua kiuchumi. Ukiona Marekani ndio Wakenya wataweza kupata usaidizi, paa kwa ndege uende hapo utuletee matunda. Ukipata ni China, tembea. Na wale ambaye wanauliza kwa nini rais anatembea, wafike hapa kwa hii kisiwa waone stima sasa inawaka. Mnataka rais aendelee kutembea ama akae hapa? Atembee asitembee? Na sisi tunasema rais
aunongo ikomweri wa mangana itama ya Chinsa chiga kulinde enda kutobwatia se Chinsa mo awa chimitandao yetu tonyore Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News digital boya sensema ya YouTube na boto nyora Ndizi TV News okonya chinga kina boto tweet at Ndizi TV News boya kerengel kya getumu gwetera se namba era se screen gora boy gontora sensema ye website www.ndizitv.net abuna otonyora Chinsa merongibiri nenye wiki ngima kirali tuko kirensa otonyore asenseme ya www.ndizitv.net asinjira yubu kirani to watana na choshota oyo yaleta gwetera sensemeri yumuntu wimanyirerio abigari nyanja mwene kuna malio gine chibichago chaire asinjira bene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.